Welcome to Credit Gyan series. Today we are going to talk on why should you check your credit report. Your credit report is not just a piece of paper but an important factor behind many things in your life, such as the home you live in, the job you get, how much money you can borrow, and how much interest you will pay. In nutshell, your credit report and score are important to your overall financial well-being. If you only check credit report while applying for loan or credit card, then think twice. Our health needs time to time checkups. Likewise, our financial health also needs time to time checkup. So at least once in a year you need to check your credit report and a score. But you are concerned about checking credit score for fear of reducing it? Be at ease. Checking your credit report and score won't affect your credit score because it is considered as a soft inquiry. Additionally, regularly checking your credit report can allow you to. It is an important step in rebuilding and maintaining good credit. It is important to periodically review your credit report to make sure your credit is in a good condition and you are ready to apply for a new credit, and also help you to monitor any ongoing credit or help to monitor recovering any past credit issue. It is an important part of managing your personal finance. It is important to check your credit report like you check your bank statements and credit bills or any other records. Managing credit will help you to track finance in terms of spending and keeping some aside for saving, because saving is important to be financially strong. It is the first step in correcting any information you feel is inaccurate. If you want to always ensure that your personal and credit information is accurate, error-free, and complete, then you must periodically check your credit report to keep it error-free. In case if you find any inaccuracy, then you should initiate a step to correct it. Same time, you also come to know that your lenders and creditors are accurately and completely reporting your payment history in case of any ongoing credit. Thus, you can be always stay updated with accurate information in your credit report. Know your financial standing. It will help you to check where you are financially standing at present or a current financial status. If you have good credit score, it is important to continue good financial practices, and if your credit score is a low, then check the factors behind low credit score and take necessary action to improve it. Stay in control of your loan or a credit card. Any credit is a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it will help you to fulfill your financial need, but if not handled properly can damage your financials. So, checking and monitoring your credit report will provide you space to reiterate on the fact to be controlled while spending, and also you can ensure to utilize lower credit on your credit card. Know whether you deserve a better card or loan. If you have a good credit score, that will earn you better interest rate or a high amount on loan and even higher credit card limit. But in case if you have a low credit score, then it will quite possible that your loan or credit card may be rejected. You will get higher rate of interest on loans, smaller amount than what you applied for a loan, lower credit card limit. Hence, make sure you keep an eye on your credit report to ensure your credit is on a healthy path to avoid rejection of a loan application. Errors on your credit report could keep you from getting a loan on the best available terms. Ideally, you should check your credit report before making any loan application and take steps to dispute wrong data, correct incorrect data, improve credit history. To guard against identity theft. Checking your credit report on time-to-time basis will help you to guard against identity theft. Identity theft happens when an imposter deliberately misuses your personally identification information to conduct any financial transactions or get a financial benefits in your name. Thus, reviewing your credit report periodically will help you identify any unexplained hard inquiries or loan credit cards that are fraudulently obtained in your name by stealing your identity to safeguard your identity. For more details, any suggestions or advice, call or miss call on the number given in description box. Thank you.